Hi guys, I'm Hugo de Wilde, I'm 21 years old from Belgium. This year I participated to the Lamborghini Super Trofeo Europe with Iron Links. It was 10 really busy days here in Vallelunga with round 5, round 6 and World Finals.
My name is Mattia Michelotto. My team is Wilde. I drive Super Trofeo this year and GT3 in the Italian Championship.
It's a big chance to be part of the Young Driver program. I was selected for the shootout that we are doing today and tomorrow. It's really nice to be with a manufacturer like Lamborghini to keep improving as a driver. I will try to do my best and we will see how it goes.
My favorite race is here in Vallelunga because I have a fight with Brendon Leitch for the European champion. Young Driver program is a beautiful experience. Thank you so much Lamborghini Squadra Corse.